All right, we're going to show you guys how to fix your headlights with the Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Step 1, mask off the light with painter's tape. Next, put on some rubber gloves to protect your hands. Next, you're going to rub the surface with this oxidation pads. You're going to get 4 of them, and you're going to go back and forth, not in circular motion, just back and forth. You're going to do it until the pad turns yellow, and you're going to get 4 of them, so you got to use 4 of them, and it's going to look like the light's brand new when you get done, but keep on going. Next, you're going to go ahead and rinse the headlights. The next step is wet sanding the headlights. You've got 2 pads, one's burgundy, one's green. You're going to start off with the burgundy, and you're going to go up and down and left and right. You want to add water as you do it, and you want to go left to right and up and down and not in circles. Remember that. When you've done 3 minutes with each pad, then it's time to go ahead and rinse the lights off. Next, remove all of the painter's tape from your headlamps. Then dry your headlamps with a microfiber cloth if you have it. Next, we're going to apply the ceramic clear coat. Make sure that you wear gloves when you do this. You're going to take the pads and you're going to move laterally across the light. You're just going to pull it all the way across. This is the crucial part of the process, so make sure you don't layer it. Take your time and be careful. Here's what the one looks like compared to the other one. Now we just got to finish this one. All right, so you do the same process here. You want to just go laterally across, no circles. Try to get every spot. Afterwards, it takes about 2 hours to cure, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Then you'll have beautiful headlights. Congratulations. Peace out.